Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we solve the problem of cut ROP to maximize product. What? To cut ROP to maximize products, right? Here, given a ROP of length n meters, cut it into multiple smaller ROPs. Cut it into multiple smaller ROPs such that the product of their length is maximized. At least one cut is mandatory, right? But the problem says we have n meters of rope and cut it into multiple smaller, and the question says that rope cut it into multiple ropes such that the product of their length is maximized. So we can maximize the product. At least one cut is mandatory, means we have mandatory to cut at least one cut. That's the problem says. Now we can analyze the problem. But the problem we understand the problem. Now analyze what we have to do. So here here is, if n is equal to 2, what the meaning of 2? Here is 2, which means at least one time we have to do the cut the rope, which means at least one time there is need to cut the rope. So what is the n is equal to 2? What we can do? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now cut it 1 into 1, the value is 1, so answer is 1 definitely. Now come on the second. What is n is equal to 5? Now this is the good approach. Now I will explain you the very good type. N is equal to 5. Now here what we can do, there is a multiples of options. Like first is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, right? So here is multiplications of 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is equal to what? 4. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That is definitely right. Now 1 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 into 1 into 3 is equal to 1 into 1, 3 into 3. What means 3? Simple. So what is the maximum product? So here is the answer is equal to simple 6. Why? Because this is the maximum, right? So now come on the observations. What is the observations? What do you think here? So we can think here, suppose we have a rope of length n. We have a rope of length n, right? For every possible, first cut at possible I, right? For every possible cut it at position I, which means हम क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले में हमेशा सबसे पहला कट आउट करेंगे, which means I or what is n minus simple I. This is our the solid I. This is right. Now we have two choice. The first thing is don't cut. That is the, if you think when I just write this line, then in your mind attack recursion. If not attack, then for sure you just have to work on the recursion, because whenever we just have to go choose, not choose, take, not take, peak, not peak. So this is the recursion types of problems. So here now first thing is don't cut, means n minus I further, right? And cut n minus I. So further to get a larger product. समझ गए? So this is the very recursion problems. Now we can do there. I just explained you the very brute force approach here. What is the brute force approach? Brute force approach you think ever. So in that, try every possible cuts. हम क्या करेंगे? सारा पॉसिबल कट ट्राई करेंगे कि क्या हो सकता है. जैसे में फंक्शन ऑफ ठीक है, सिंपल फंक्शन ऑफ इज इक्वल टू मैक्स ऑफ, और द वैल्यू ऑफ मैक्स ऑफ व्हाट इज I इंटू n minus I, and with that I into f n minus I. This one, correct? So this is the having problem. But in that the same product we can the same array we have to multiple time the same array will pick. So for that reason they will go in the exponential time complexity. So you know, if whenever we just have to write the code in recursion, so that is, so here is the optimal approach is only go on the DP, right, for optimizing this. So I just suggest you to every possible cuts same, just like as I just write in the recursion same type here. Now I just show you the now just I write the code what is the possible approaches and what I just write in that code. So the simple is that is the bottom approach vector int, right, int dp of n plus 1 to 0, सबको पहले यार 0 से इनिशियलाइज कर देंगे, फिर dp ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल टू 1, ठीक है. नाउ फॉर int लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 2 and length is equal to n and length plus plus, simple. Now for int cut is equal to 1 and cut गर्दन is equal to कहाँ तक, पहले स्टार्ट किए क्या 2 से स्टार्ट किए, कहाँ तक n तक चल जाएगा, कम से कम इतना चाहिए कि मेरे पास 0 और 1 तो दिया ही है, तो लेंथ 2 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. कहाँ जाएगा वो लेंथ तक जाएगा, ठीक है, और फिर क्या जाएगा कट प्लस प्लस चल जाएगा, ठीक है, सिंपल. अब आते हैं यहाँ पे मेन लॉजिक पार्ट, dp ऑफ लेंथ वी जस्ट हैव टू द यूज द एयर टू पिक और नॉट पिक, है ना. तो मैक्स ऑफ वी जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड द मैक्स ऑफ व्हाट इज dp लेंथ विथ मैक्स ऑफ कट इनटू लेंथ माइनस कट, सिंपल, ठीक है, एंड देन कट इनटू डीपी ऑफ लेंथ माइनस कट, सिंपल, जो हम पहले कर चुके थे, ठीक है. एंड एट देन बस रिटर्न क्या करना है डीपी ऑफ एन, ठीक है, सिंपल. देखते हैं ट्राई टू सबमिट, now try to run and then now try to submit. Yes, so it will submitted. So here if you have to analyze in that the time complexity is order of n square. Why? Because first one pick this and then go on this. So here the time complexity of order of n order of n square, but the space is always to go to the order of n. So here that is optimized from the previous one. The previous one has the like exponential time and it will not take only for order of n square. There is one more options to solve this problem using mathematical approach. So this mathematical approach I will leave, because currently you just analyze what happened there, what we think, and then you just write, comment it out. Yes, I just think like mathematical approach I can use this. Then I will comment on your comment, and then in a comment I will send you the mathematical approach. So thank you for staying till the end.